Allahabad High Court lawyers suspend strike, await committee report. Allahabad High Court Bar Association President Anil Tiwari said this agitation of ours has been going on for the last 5 to 6 days. We are not at work. We did not stop any litigants, but still a strike can cause inconvenience to the litigants and the lawyers. So Allahabad High Court lawyers have suspended the strike that they have been on. And remember that they announced this strike around approximately 5 to 6 days ago or approximately a week ago. And that was in the backdrop of the Allahabad High Court lawyers going on that strike on the burning cash row and the Justice Verma's transfer. Okay, we are getting some more reactions as well.
कि पिछले 5-6 दिनों से हमारा ये एजुकेशन चल रहा था और हम लोग काम पे नहीं थे। हालांकि हमने लिटिगेंट्स को रोका नहीं है उस दौरान, लेकिन फिर भी नुकसान तो स्ट्राइक से होता ही है। वकीलों का बहुत नुकसान होता है, लिटिगेंट्स को नुकसान होता है और वर्तमान में अब इस हड़ताल पे रहने की कोई वजह नहीं है, क्योंकि यशवंत वर्मा जी तो आ चुके हैं। हमारे हड़ताल पे जाने से वो वापस तो नहीं जाएंगे, तो अब हम लोगों ने इसके स्वरूप को बदल दिया है। एजुकेशन जारी है। फिलहाल स्ट्राइक का जो डिसीजन है वो सस्पेंड किया है, रिकॉल नहीं किया है, सस्पेंड है तब तक जब तक कि 3 मेंबर्स कमेटी की जो रिपोर्ट है वो आ नहीं जाती। उसको पब्लिश करने की रिक्वेस्ट किया है चीफ जस्टिस से कि साहब इसको एक्सपेडाइट कर दीजिए और जल्दी से जल्दी इस रिपोर्ट की कॉपी पब्लिक डोमेन में पब्लिश करिए। जैसे ही ये रिपोर्ट हमको मिलती है उसी दिन हम एग्जीक्यूटिव की मीटिंग रिज्यूम करेंगे और रिज्यूम करके हम फर्दर कोर्स ऑफ एक्शन उसके कंटेंट्स के आधार पर लेंगे।
This is Riyanka joining us. Riyanka, you know, Allahabad High Court Bar Association has now suspended the strike, and we were getting some reactions coming in. They've been very active. One of the first High Court Bar Associations to go ahead and continue the strike and the protest against the transfer of Justice Verma, and one of the first HCBA associations, lawyer associations, to ask for stringent action in this case. What is the latest coming in? Yes, Riyanka.
We know that there has been a huge crackdown on the fact that the Allahabad High Court Bar Association members had come together and they were protesting against the recommendation which was made by the Supreme Court Collegium to transfer Justice Yashwant Verma. And as we know that the transfer has been made official from the side of the Supreme Court, from the side of the centre. For now, the Allahabad High Court Bar Association has called off the strike. And they are saying that they will be awaiting all the results that come out from the report that will be filed by the 3-member internal committee of the Supreme Court, which is currently investigating every step, every loophole, every detail of this particular case. And after that, they will be deciding what is the future course of action. But for now, we understand that Justice Yashwant Verma has already been transferred to the Allahabad High Court, although he will not be assigned any judicial work.